Hi, I'm Joe Fitzpatrick. In today's Understand Photography Tuesday tip, I'll show you how to add developed presets to Lightroom Classic CC. Adobe changed the preset format in the middle of 2018, so there are two formats you may encounter when downloading presets. The older style preset has an LR template extension, and the newer style has an XMP extension. Both may come in a zip format, and both can be used in the current version of Lightroom Classic CC. Let's start with the newer XMP presets. With XMP presets, there is no need to unzip zip files. The import procedure is the same for both individual XMP files and zip files containing multiple presets. In Lightroom Classic CC's Develop module, left panel, click on the plus sign in the Presets section. Then choose Import Presets. In the pop-up window, navigate to the folder where the individual XMP presets or zip file containing the XMP presets is located. Left-click on the preset or zip file and click on Import. That's all there is to it. Your new presets will show up on the preset list. Installing presets in the older LR template format is a bit more complicated. First, unzip the presets if they are in a zip file. In Windows, open File Explorer, locate the preset zip file, right-click on it, then select Extract All from the drop-down menu. Then click on Extract in the dialog box. Your LR template files will be extracted into a new folder. Mac users, open Finder, then double-click on the zip file to extract the files. Then, you need to determine where your presets are being stored. In Lightroom, click on Edit, then Preferences in the menu bar. Mac users click on Lightroom, then Preferences. Select the Presets tab in the Preferences window, and then click on Show All Other Lightroom Presets. Open the Lightroom folder, then the Develop Presets folder. Copy the folder containing your unzipped LR template format presets or the presets themselves to the Develop Presets folder. Then restart Lightroom. Lightroom will automatically convert the presets to the XMP format and copy them to the appropriate folder. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. You can check out our other tutorials and quick tips, product reviews, and watch our weekly show on our website, understandphotography.com. Thanks for watching.